I've been trying to buy a house here in Austin, I don't know, for like 2 years now, and it's fucking frustrating because every time I make an offer, someone beats me all cash. So I decided to do some research on where everyone's getting all this cash from, and what I found was actually pretty interesting. In 2021, 30% of all homes were paid for with cash, which is about 12% higher than the average over all the last 20 years. But when you actually look at this, 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014 all had higher cash amounts. So it's not like it's that odd. All right, but where's the cash actually coming from? Like, 'cause it seems like it's coming out of people's asses. The first one was the cash that would just kept getting printed by the government. This gave people stimulus checks, the ability to borrow money really cheap, and it increased the price of any asset. So anyone who already had stocks, crypto, or real estate, their values for all of those things went up, and then they could borrow a lot of money on those values without having to do much at a low interest rate. So they would use that extra cash that they borrowed against for a second house. The second was a lot of people moving from other states with higher salaries coming to cheaper states. A lot of people moved during the pandemic. I did. People took their really expensive California salaries and moved to Texas, and their really expensive New York salaries and moved to Florida where everything was cheaper, which allowed them to have more cash to buy a house. And they were stuck at home, not doing jack shit with that money, so they had more money saved than normal. The third reason, which was honestly the most surprising, was that there's these companies out there that allow you to make offers in all cash. There's these companies like Better Mortgage that allow you to make offers with cash, and then they'll allow you to get a mortgage on it like 30 days later. So this allowed a lot of people to be able to make offers with cash without actually having it.